Welcome all of you students. In this lesson, we are talking about casting. Right? First of all, I want to commit my previous lesson changes, right? Previous lesson, user input and debugging, right? I want to commit my changes into my GitHub changes at user input and debugging. Commit your changes, then go to sync and push your changes to your master branch. Right. Successfully push to your origin master. Right. Today lesson we are talking about casting. Right. Actually, we consider two type of casting in C#, right? We said implicit typecasting and explicit typecasting. These two casting we use for variables, right? As first part, I want to add new class casting introduct. You can use whatever class, right? It doesn't matter. Now you know this is your namespace and you have class. You can use this class, make public. Don't worry about this, right? Okay. Now I want to create few local variables or instance variables. Actually, I first create a method public void casting, right? Void not returning anything. First add some variables, local variables inside your method, right? Integer type variable age 22, right? Double type variable weight 71.5. We can't use kilogram like that, right? This is your integer type 50 I use, right? String name mindset geek, this way, right? Actually, we know the double variable size is higher than integer type, right? We can assign without any problems. We can assign this age value to weight. If I use console.writeLine and now print your weight and go to your startup. Okay, you can pin your work file, right? I pin these two and arrange this one first. First I comment this one also. Now I don't need, right? Comment and make object from that class. Right. In this way, now I can call obj.get casting method. Check your result. Now you can see weight has 22, right? No problems. We can cast this age value to weight, right? We said this kind of casting as implicit type casting, right? Implicit type casting for variables. In next type, explicit type casting. That means, okay, now I remove these unwanted classes. I just need these two classes, right? Now I want this thing. Comment this one, and I want to use assign weight value to age. Can we do that? Can we do that? This is called explicit type casting. Can we do that? Actually, directly we can't do that. We have to mention we use only integer part, right? Now that casting will work. Assign age. Now you can check what is your integer value. 71. No decimal point, right? We said this kind of casting as explicit type casting, right? We said implicit type casting for this way, and use explicit type casting for this way, right? Next thing, I have string variable. Can I assign string type to age or integer or double? Okay. Assign name to age, right? We can use string convert dot to string. To string age, then print your name, right? You can see your name is 71. Now your name value is 71. We can use that, right? If I want to assign age value, right, comment this one, first comment this one, and age assign to name. Can I do that? Okay, if I want this string should contain some value, right? For that, as example, this one can't keep that is string, right? Convert dot to int 32. Next thing, even you have some string type, it also possible with converting integer with some conditions, right? There are a bunch of free developed methods available in C#. You can try with those methods also, right? Now try to use this age start, right? That is string convert to integer, right? We say this kind of activities as casting, right? This is casting. We said implicit type casting and explicit type casting. Implicit type casting can happen without any problems. We have to think about this, right? First, we mention what part we get, or we use some methods for converting, right? I think now you have some idea about casting, right? Casting is also has a wide range, right? Wide range of method. You can practice these methods, and I also use different methods in .NET framework, right? Okay, as first part, you should get some idea behind casting, right? I think now you have idea about casting and how to do that, right? Okay, let's commit your changes. Casting part added. Commit your changes, sync and push, right? Okay, that's it for this lesson. Let's move into next